realize ko parang try not to think about it. Just enjoy it. I mean, it's hard not to, to be hard on yourself. Pero minsan ganun eh. The more you think about it, halatang you're trying hard. Just believe in yourself, enjoy, and people will see that.
Parang nagwo-worry ka rin ba doon sa sasabihin ng mga tao, ng mga manonood?
Yes! Ano siya, Bemi, sa success ng Forevermore. Of course, you're gonna expect na yung Dolce Amore, karon din. I mean, you can't, please everybody, but you try your best. So, sinasabi ko lang, basta pag mag-enjoy tayo, syempre, the people will see it, at sila rin mag-enjoy. So, pag nawala yung essence ng enjoyment, wala na eh.
Yeah. Liza?
Ako po, kabaliktad niya. I tend to overthink. So, ako po yung talagang hard on myself. Like,
sabi ko sa kanya, don't think about it. Don't think about it.
Kasi I get scared that, like, one day, like, hindi ako magiging kasing, how do you say this? Like, as good as my last show. So, I want every show there's something different and to be able to show that I am capable of giving something else, offering something else to the audience. And I just want that the management can also see more potential in me and that I can do other things. Parang ganun po.
Enrique, ano yung realization sa pagiging mahirap, sa pagiging raketero?
Ano pa, sorry?
Yung realization sa character mo na pagiging mahirap, tapos pagiging raketero, di ba, ang dami mo racket.
How easy you have it sometimes, How much, like when I was shooting doon sa construction, nakita ko yung mga ibang construction, tinuturo mag-welding, sabi ko, grabe, I mean, you just go around, see all these establishments, you take it for granted, you don't know how hard these people work for that. And to be in it and be in their, do what they do, parang, you have no reason to complain on what you're doing compared to what they're doing. So it just opens, your mind. I just, iba, I don't know. It shows you things that you really didn't know. It opens up your mind and it's a humbling experience when you're there.
Ay, sa feel na feel mo yung pagiging prinsesa?
Well, actually, hindi po talaga prinsesa yung role ko. It's just a girl who is living a glamorous life. Ako po, hindi po. I never wished kasi to be a princess or to be anything more than what I actually am in real life. So ako, mas gusto ko po yung simple lang. Yung ganun. Pero it's nice to portray the role of being a princess para maiba naman. But for me, in real life, I'd rather be ordinary.
Sabi ni Enrique Queen daw. Sabi ni Enrique Queen daw, ano yata, Queen of his heart yata. Yun.
May push talaga. Oo. And of course, he's a question from the Queen of our Tita Ethel. Hi, Tita Ethel. Late ko.
Hello.
Hi, Tita Ethel.
May tanong ako. Since this is a reunion movie, series kina, After Forevermore, kina Enrique and Liza, may tanong ako ngayon. Since apparently nagka-comeback na si Mr. Edgar Mortiz, can we expect a reunion movie between him and the governor of Batangas na ang title ay Everything About Them?
Can we share the mic? Okay. May follow up ka pa.
Ano kami?
Reunion daw with God.
Hindi ko masagot.
Ang title Everything About Them.
Hindi na ako boy next door eh. Ano na ako Barilis next door. Hindi ko masagot, Titetel. Pero masaya at nakasama ako dito. Eh kung makakasama ko si Evie, di mas maganda siguro.
Ikaw na rin ang mag-direct.
Ako, mahirap yun.
At saka, mukhang dito nagkakatotoo na ang nagiging sweet nga naman ang pag-ibig kay si Kian Cipriano. Sunod-sunod yata ang pelikula ni Kian. Ang projects ni Kian since
Fortunate.
his marriage to somebody from the other station.
I wonder who that somebody is. Thank you.
Comment on that?
I am really fortunate to have been blessed with
great projects like TV shows and concerts and films. Kumbaga parang na-enjoy ko yung buong proseso ng art form na may mga nakikilala kang bagong tao. People get to know you or they come up to you and have themselves having a photo with you because they love what you did or the song that you wrote, parang ganun. Kaya ano lang ako, steady as always, pero I'm just doing everything at my best at 100%.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At parang good comeback din ang ginagawa ngayon ni Andrew E.
Oh yeah.
Since his revelation na may dati siyang crush na gumagawa na nakasama sa Probinsyano. Ngayon, tapos ano pa siya? Hindi ka nakikinig kay Vice Ganda.
Kasi hindi naman kapani-paniwala yung tingin ni Vice, kaya syempre di binigyan ng bigat yun para seryosohin ko siya at that time. Nagulat na lang ako nung nagkaganon, you know. Pero Tita Ethel, it's nice to see you again dahil di ako sanay na ganyan although I am sanay na ganyan nasa table ka na tinatanong mo ako ng mga ganyang how I say, mga mabibigat na question.
Mabigat ba yun? Hindi mo nga na-reveal kung sino yung tinutukoy ko.
Hindi, Tita, I'm so happy, you know. Una-una, look, from left to right, napakabibigat na mga kasama. And, you know, not only sa bigat, yung experience, may I say, do enough. Would probably tell each and everyone here na sa lugar na ito na siguro ako ang pinaka newborn dito sa lugar na ito. Kasi, syempre, look, si Kian, syempre, artist siya, singer. But then again, nasa limelight na siya all the time. From now and yesterday and now. Ako, wala. Away from the limelight. I'm away from the limelight. Medyo nawala po ako sa limelight kasi siguro nahiwalay ng bahagya ng konti sa industry. May I say movie industry kasi syempre matagal akong nawala din pelikula. But then again, happy to say because yun na nga, balikan ko sa dami-dami, ako pa yung napili. And props to Tita Tang na nakasalubong ko sa Starbucks at niyakap ako at binulong ako. Gusto mo teleserye? Aba, syempre. Aba, syempre. Kanino at sino? Kila Enrique tsaka kila Liza. Naku, edi wala na akong no dyan. Wala na akong no dyan. Tita, nagpatingin ako sa kanya, syempre, pabalik. Talent fee. Aba, syempre, pag-usapan natin. Ay, wala na rin pag-uusapan. Kailan start? Soon as. Wala ka bang hindrance sa kabila or sa whatever? Wala. Kahit meron. Diretso ako dyan. Kaya, may I do say, mga kaibigan, Liz Quinn is the favorite of my family. So, nung sinabi sa kanila, sige, pwede ba akong join na rin? Join na rin ako. Para maparoon naman ako ng mga kids ko. Dahil, with all honesty, matagal na po akong honestly, hindi rin napaparoon nila sa TV or sa sine. Kaya, you know, little gift ko rin sa kanila. Yun po.
Ngayon, dalawang beses ka na. Dalawang show mo na ngayon ang mapapanood.
Opo, yun na nga. And hindi ko alam kung ano experience nun kasi syempre, araw-araw mapapanood. So, I don't know. Total double blessing po. Maraming pong salamat.
Thank you sa inyo.
Thank you sa inyo. Thank you po.
Thank you, Tita. The last question will come from me. I wanna ask Mateo. Matt, nung sinabing you're doing a project with Liza and Ken, did you deliberately prepare physically para lumibel sa... Kasi sobra. Ang ganda ng feedback nung when umere na yung trailer, sobrang para magkaedad lang kayo ni Ken.
Nag-shave po ako, tinanggal ko yung mga 19
May
again.
preparations ba? Gupit ba? Or nag-gym ka ba? Or what?
Nagpagupit ako, tapos tinanggal ko talaga yung facial hair ko lahat. So, every taping,
parang 18 years old ulit. Parang
Correct.
bago, weird talaga. So yun, ngayon may konti na nga eh. But usually
So
before
basically, nag-shave ka lang.
Lahat
Wow,
yun,
partida ha?
Parang 17 ulit pa.
Correct. And the hair looks different.
Yeah, short hair. So parang
Short
totoy
hair.
mo.
Correct. Okay, with that last question, sabi na nasabi ang last na raw. Ano ba JC?
Last, tanongin mo kung paano mag-spend sila ng Valentine's.
Pwede ba? Can we give, pwede ba JC? Last question. How are you spending Valentine's, Miss Cherie? Since the title daw of the series is Dolce Amore.
I know. I'm always working or doing nothing on Valentine. I'm with my dog.
Okay, thank you, Miss Cherie. Shine! Ako, how is Valentine gonna
Hi,
be?
Tita Ethel. Sunday yun eh, nasa ASAP kami for grand promo and market.
Oo. So with the cast?
Yes. So yun.
Working.
And siguro sasama ko na lang yung 3 kids ko para makita rin nila si Liz Ken. Super fan sila.
Wow! Okay, Ruben? Celebrasyon Valentine.
With my family.
Oh, with your family.
Yeah, I'm married to a Filipina.
Wow!
Yes.
Like Filipina from
From the Philippines.
okay, I know, but is she from Manila or from Luzon? Visayas?
She's from Isabela.
Isabela, Ilocana.
Ilocana.
Wow, you speak Ilocano?
No, I don't.
No, nada.
Nada. Niente.
Oh, niente. Okay, Drew, how are you spending Valentine's?
Well, nabanggit ni Sunshine, asa pala yun, grand launch pala yun. So, again, first time again. So, siguro, dadalhin ko rin ang aking kids para makita nila ng live
Wow.
si Liz Gwen.
Thank you, Drew. BM, paano ang Valentine's mo? Sunday daw yun, Feb 14.
Siguro kasama ko yung mga apo ko.
Oh, correct. Ilan na ba?
Lima.
Lima na. Oh.
Hindi ko na hinahanap yung mga anak ko, mga apo na lang.
Oh, and speaking of anak, si Miss Camille Martinez is here. Miss Camille, our EP ng Banana Split. Okay, thank you. Miss Rio, how are you spending Valentine's?
Pamilya siguro. Wala pa akong apo. Kahit matatanda na yung mga anak ko, wala pa akong apo.
Wow. Gusto mo na?
Ayoko pa. Okay pa ako sa mga aso ko. I have 7 dogs. Happy pa ako sa mga aso ko.
At ito yata first Valentine nila as a couple. How are you spending Valentine after the kasal?
May promotion yata tayo. Meron ba? Market? Grand fans din nyo? Kasama ka doon? Kasama tayo lahat doon? Okay, kung ganun, di sila kasama ko.
Hindi nga seryoso, siyempre may Valentine.
But I want to spend it with family, of course. Like,
after mall show, 7 o'clock. Tapos
yeah, why
na yan.
not? Di ba? Pwede.
Okay.
Wala ba? Kung depende, matapos na kagad. Pusin natin. Hindi joke lang. Pero kung wala akong work, anything, I'd definitely spend it with the most beautiful person in the world.
Oh, thank you. Wow, thank you naman ako.
Yes,
Ako yun.
and yeah, it's you.
Wow. Okay, thank you. At eto na, how are you spending, Matt? Para mga bata, may sniper dito.
Na-block off ko na po kasi yung araw na yan.
Ay, bongga!
Tapos sabi kasi ni Joanne, yung promo na Mateo, kailangan mo mag-asap. So mag-asap po kami at
ASAP is 2 o'clock.
market.
After 2. Market is 4.
Pero balita po namin may taping.
4 to 6.
May taping na
May taping.
Susera, walang taping ng Sunday, Liza, ha?
Meron po, promise.
Nagtitaping kayo ng Sunday?
Nagtitaping po kami ng
Lala,
Sunday.
Meron? Manuel, meron?
Ayan, nakakuha ka ng alay.
Meron daw?
Bongga,
Promise? Sabi ni Manuel, meron daw eh. Di
Si
meron.
Mateo po tinatanong ko, hindi po kayong dalawa.
May taping din.
Seryoso.
Yata. Tatanong ko si mami ko. Hindi, wala. Baka may taping eh, so tingnan natin.
Okay, Matt. Okay. And of course, Liza and Ken, how are you spending Valentine?
Ayan na!
Taping po. We're spending it together.
Kainis naman yung tape.
Sa ASAP, sa market, taping.
Drop work talaga.
Promise po, work.
Basta.
Diretso taping after, ano ka ba?
Diretso ba? Secret na lang, secret. Baka mabuking mo.
I'd like to acknowledge Mr. RG Diaz. Hi, Arj. It's the reason why magaling si Liza sa English because of RG Diaz.
Yes!
Diyan siya nag-immersion ng English lessons. Okay, and with that question, thank you so much. Are we airing the Feb Ibig Wins?
February.
Sino po ang? Si Ken, yun ang... Ha? Oo, yun daw. Narinig mo.
Ano ba?
Oo, hindi ko narinig.
Ano
Ayan, ito na pa, Dolce Amore. Feb 15 na po sa primetime bida. Are we airing the Feb Ibig Wins? Are we? Are we? Okay, this is for Feb Ibig Wins. This is the Valentine campaign of ABS-CBN. Ito po ang mag-kick off ng Feb Ibig Wins, ang Dolce Amore. Please watch this.
Yes. Thank you po sa oras niyo.
Yes. Pa-rewind po ng Betamax. Charot. Loading.
Liza. Ganda.
Okay, and with that beautiful VTR, I would like to request... Meron ba? Hindi kaya. Isang photo op na po. Can we request the members of the cast to please stand up?
Ayun na.
Sabi ko nga.
Don't do that to me.
No, I can find the highest moment for love.
To be able to feel that emotion is just wonderful.
Yes.
Nangyari na ka, nasa isla.
Lalangoy ako. Gagawin ko ang lahat.
Sabi mo sa akin.
Tapos sabi ko na.
Not a social network. It makes you accept people for who they are. But then, pag naparad yung Dolce Amore, mapapakita nila na to what extent ang magagawa ng isang tao para sa mamahal.
In front of the camera, anong message mo sa loved one?
Huwag naman ganyan.
Sige, sa kabilang camera. Feb Ibig wins.
Feb Ibig.
Okay, yan po ang Ibig Wins. Si Mateo kasama, no? Mateo, Liza, Ken version. Meron pa pong BM version, Michelle Hill, and the rest of the cast na mapapanood sa free TV ng ABS-CBN. Again, Dolce Amore sa primetime bida, Feb 15 po. And of course, thank you po sa support nyo sa pangako sa'yo now on its last 8 days na po siya. Okay? At syempre, this is directed by the two top-notch directors of Star Creatives and ABS-CBN, Direct May Cruz Albiar and Direct Kathy Garcia Molina.
Ngayong February, two worlds will collide. Handa na sila sa kanilang journey to find their destiny. Dolce Amore, malapit na.